Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for name labels. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type in name label or label to explore a wide variety of templates. You can select a pre-designed option to customize or start with a blank canvas for complete creative freedom. Think about the label's intended use, whether it's for personalizing gifts, organizing items, or for a special event. This initial step sets the foundation for your design. Now, let's dive into customizing your label. Begin by adding text boxes to include names, dates, or any other essential information. Canva offers a vast selection of fonts and colors, allowing you to perfectly match your brand or personal style. Don't hesitate to experiment with different combinations. You can also enhance your design by incorporating various graphics, icons, or even uploading your own unique images to make your name label truly stand out. Proper sizing is crucial for a professional-looking name label. Adjust the dimensions to precisely fit your intended use, whether it's a small gift tag or a larger organizational sticker. Always ensure your design has a high resolution to guarantee clear and crisp printing, preventing any pixelation. For designs that extend to the edge, remember to include a bleed margin of at least 1/8 inch. This prevents unwanted white edges after trimming. Finally, it's time to bring your name labels to life. Once your design is complete, download it in a high-quality format such as PDF print for the best results. You have the option to print your labels at home using specialized sticker paper, or for larger quantities, consider sending them to a professional printing service. After printing, carefully cut out each label to achieve a clean, polished, and professional appearance. Enjoy your custom creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.